Welcome to our channel, where we provide step-by-step guides to starting your own business. In this video, we'll discuss how to start a daycare business in the USA. We'll guide you through the process of setting up an LLC, securing essential licenses and certifications, and establishing your very own daycare facility. We'll also touch on key aspects of business planning and management to ensure your venture's success. So, whether you're an entrepreneur looking to break into the childcare industry or a seasoned professional seeking a new venture, this guide is for you. First, let's understand what a daycare business entails. At its core, a daycare business is a professional service that provides care and educational activities for children while their parents are at work or otherwise engaged. Services can range from basic care to more comprehensive offerings, such as preschool education, meals, and even special events. The potential clients for a daycare business are vast, spanning parents of children from infancy to school age. The importance of daycare businesses in today's society cannot be overstated. With an increasing number of dual-income households and single parents, daycare services offer a critical solution to the challenge of balancing work and family responsibilities. They also play a crucial role in early childhood development, providing children with opportunities to learn, socialize, and grow in a safe and nurturing environment. Now that we have an understanding of the daycare business, let's delve into how to start one. The first step to starting a daycare business is forming an LLC. For those unfamiliar with the term, LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a type of business structure in the United States that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. This means that if your daycare business, God forbid, faces any legal issues or debts, your personal assets would be protected. Forming an LLC comes with several benefits. It provides credibility to your business, as it shows that you are serious about your venture. It also allows for greater flexibility in managing your business and can offer significant tax advantages. Now let's talk about setting up an LLC. The first step is to select a unique name for your LLC. Make it catchy and memorable, something that reflects the essence of your daycare business. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State. This document outlines the basics of your business, like your business name, address, and the names of the owners. The filing fee varies from state to state, but it's typically between $100 and $200. After filing, you'll need to create an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. Next, you'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business, and it's necessary for tax purposes. But don't worry, you're not alone in this process. Taylor Brands can guide you through each step, making the task of forming an LLC as straightforward as possible. They offer an affordable, easy-to-use platform that can help you form your LLC, create a standout logo, and even build a professional website for your daycare business. Remember, forming an LLC is more than just a bureaucratic step. It's about laying the foundation for a successful daycare business that's built to last. Once you've set up your LLC, you're ready to move on to the next step, obtaining your EIN. With your LLC set up, it's time to get your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS, much like a social security number, but for your business. It's crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows the IRS to identify taxpayers who are required to file various business tax returns. Secondly, banks usually require an EIN to open a business bank account. So, how do you get one? The process is straightforward. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. The application is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll need to complete the application in one session, as you can't save and return to it later. The good news is, once you complete the application, you'll receive your EIN immediately. With your EIN in hand, you're now ready to get the necessary licenses and certifications. To operate a daycare business, you'll need to obtain specific licenses and certifications. This is a non-negotiable part of the process. It's not just about meeting legal requirements. These licenses and certifications signify that your daycare meets the standards set for the safety, health, and overall well-being of the children under your care. First off, you'll need a business license. This is a standard requirement for most businesses, not just daycares. It's obtained from your city or county's business license department. The process usually involves submitting an application, paying a fee, and sometimes undergoing an inspection of your premises. Next on the list is the Childcare license. This is quite specific to daycare businesses. The requirements differ from state to state, but it generally involves a background check, a thorough inspection of the premises, and proof of adequate staff-to-child ratio. Some states also require a certain amount of experience or education in the field of early childhood education. Don't forget the fire safety permit. Your facility will need to be inspected by the fire department to ensure it's up to code. This includes having the right number of exits, fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, and a solid evacuation plan. Food service permits may also be necessary if you plan to prepare and serve meals. This means your kitchen and meal prep areas must meet health department regulations. In addition to these licenses, certain certifications can enhance your credibility as a daycare provider. For instance, becoming a certified childcare professional or earning an early childhood education certification. These require coursework and exams but can give you an edge in this competitive market. Remember, each state has different requirements, so it's crucial to do your research or consult with a business advisor to make sure you're not missing anything. With these licenses and certifications, you're almost ready to open your daycare doors. But first, you'll need to set up your facility. These steps might seem daunting, but they're necessary to ensure that your daycare isn't just a business, but a safe, nurturing environment for children to learn and grow. Now it's time to set up your daycare facility. Choosing the right location is paramount to the success of your daycare business. Consider the demographics of the area, the demand for daycare services, and the availability of suitable properties. A daycare facility should be easily accessible to parents, and ideally, it should be located in a safe and quiet neighborhood. Next, let's talk about the necessary equipment. Depending on the age of the children you're catering to, you will need different types of furniture, toys, and learning materials. For infants and toddlers, you'll need high chairs, cribs, and age-appropriate toys. For older children, think about tables and chairs, art supplies, books, and educational games. Remember, the equipment should not only be safe and sturdy, but also promote learning and creativity. Nutrition is a vital part of a child's day. Therefore, your daycare facility should have a well-equipped kitchen, or at least an area for preparing and serving meals. Keep in mind, the more self-sufficient your facility is, the more appealing it will be to parents. Now, let's discuss creating a safe and stimulating environment. Safety should be your top priority. Install safety gates, outlet covers, and cabinet locks. Make sure all toys and equipment meet safety standards. Fire extinguishers and first aid kits should be readily available, and all staff should be trained in basic first aid and emergency procedures. Creating a stimulating environment is equally important. Children should have access to a variety of activities that promote their physical, cognitive, and social development. Use bright colors and engaging decor to create an inviting space. Incorporate different learning zones, such as a reading corner, an art area, and a play zone. Outdoor play is also essential, so if possible, include a secure outdoor area with play equipment. Lastly, remember to meet all health and sanitation requirements. Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial to keeping your facility safe and healthy. With your daycare facility set up, you're ready to open your doors and start your daycare business. That's it. You now know how to start a daycare business in the USA. Today, we've covered the essentials of setting up a daycare operation from scratch. We began by understanding the business, its dynamics, and the immense potential it holds. It's not just about babysitting. It's about creating a nurturing environment for children while their parents are away. We then dove into forming an LLC, a vital step to ensure your business is legally recognized. We suggested Taylor Brands as a reliable resource for this process. Remember, forming an LLC provides you with limited liability protection, which can be crucial for a daycare business. Next, we tackled obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN. This unique number is necessary for tax purposes and to hire employees. Once again, Taylor Brands can assist you with this process. We also discussed the importance of obtaining the right licenses and certifications. This assures parents that their children are in safe, qualified hands. It also makes your business more reputable and trustworthy. Finally, we delved into setting up the daycare facility. This isn't just about having a space. It's about creating a safe, stimulating, and educational environment for the children. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a daycare business. Remember, this is more than a business venture. It's a commitment to nurturing the future generation. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step business guides. Best of luck with your daycare business.